Yo, what's good, Mike? Yes, Bally. Go on, Dale. Alright, cool. I'm rocking with that, that's fine. Got some sort of trend line going on as well, I suppose. Yeah, I could put that there, that's valid. Kind of like it there. Yeah, sweet. Breakout line to the upside. So I wanna carry on going up. I want to continue with this bullish price action that we're getting. But I would like to see a little pullback. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to get too thingy with it. You know, I'm not going to overcomplicate nothing, but I would like to see a little pullback. Even to the 25 EMA, break it, whatever, test it. I'm not going to be too thingy with the EMAs this week. Because I've noticed watching back, I'm like, okay, I've been fucking with them EMAs way too heavy. But at the same time, they do give you a little bit of clarity like, yo, we'll do a little pullback. Chances of us getting in and then it just fucking pulling back. Last week a lot of that happened. Like I was getting in and instantly getting retracements, and I'm like, okay, reviewing them now, that's my bad. There was so many trades I could have avoided losses last week if I just waited for the pullbacks, a bit of structure to be made, instead of just getting in when it's looking good and then instantly pulls back and then does the thing anyway, but I just couldn't handle the retracement. So it's not going to be like that. No charts. Oh, brother, my bad. I'm so half asleep today. Thank you for fucking reminding me. My days. Right, there's the screen. Sorry, I'm trying to see a nice retracement, right? If we get that fib out and look at the move up, yeah, I want it to be, you know, at least halfway into the gold zone kind of thing, right? So this area. Funny as well how, look at the fucking extension. The extension's literally where I put the TP. And also 1.5, but still, that would be the first take profit for sure. No, that's not a massive stop loss. That's a normal stop loss. That's 4 points. That's what I use every time. It might look big. It actually isn't that big, bro. It's a 1 minute time frame as well. So you know what I mean. Ooh, look at that on the 5 minute. For sure. Ain't looking to get in on no buys right now. Hell no. I mean, for sells, it might even be beautiful for sells. You know. The only thing is though, sells, it'd have to come all the way down there and break this, and then do this. You know what I'm saying? But I'm looking at it on the 5 minute time frame. Fucking, let me just get rid of those drawings for a second. It just filled this imbalance like almost perfect. Well, yeah, it did. It filled the imbalance perfect. So chances of it just dropping now are, well, they're there. Not gonna lie, they're there. It looks pretty good too. But at the same time, just because I'm looking at that, I've seen that lots of times where I think, yo, it filled an imbalance, is gonna melt now, when really I've just done this and then popped off to the upside. So I'm not going against what it's showing me on the 1 minute time frame yet, even though that's just making bearish structure right in front of my face. This could be a retracement before continuing up. So until we break this low down there, or this one, you could say this one, but I like this one the most. This is the proper swing on the 1 minute. So until it breaks that, we're bullish. Okay, my opinion, of course. Rejecting the EMA, I like to see this. That's a first sign of, okay, I might want to keep going up. We're still bullish. We're at that gold zone right now. And do you know what? The more I look at it, the more I look at this now, I just keep getting hope. Taps in again. Then it fucking taps in again, rejects it with a wick. Also rejecting the EMAs. And we're still at the golden zone. Also, it literally wicked the golden zone, the perfect 0618 level, where all the traders jizz in their pants. Sorry, I shouldn't say that. All the traders literally they go nuts for that level, right? So that's why I'm okay with this for a minute. I'm okay with what I see going on. Oh, I'm not. Oh, shit. I spoke too soon. Yeah, that's definitely breaking. But is it really going to break though, or is it just testing it? Take these off so I don't get confused. Because we're still at this support as well. I get knocked down, but I get up again. Yeah, I like the look of this now. We got something going on. We got options. And I'm a 2 trades per session kind of guy. But at least there's stuff going on, no? Whereas last week, we genuinely had like this. Like this was what we were getting hit with. Alright, we're looking good. I just keep looking to the left like something's changed. Ain't nothing changed, bro. Stop fucking tweaking with that mouse and leave it alone. I can't help it. ADHD mixed with caffeine. Alright, Danny boy, what we doing? Where we going? Are you already in? No, I'm not. But I will be if this fucking thing gets broken. And I'll manage it. So if it pulls back and it does that bullshit, then I'll get the fuck out. I'll let you know about it as well. I'm in, mate. I'm in. Alright. I'll accept that. We're pulling back to entry, kind of. I'm good with it. I just feel like we're so close to that 4 hour liquidity. is on the way, so I'm just gonna hold my position. That was a nice bullish push, man. Really nice. I can't even complain. This is definitely where you should be break even now and maybe closing partials. Come on, gold. You got it. You're so close now. I feel a little retracement coming. I didn't want it to be. I want that sonic boom. I wanted to just do the job. I feel like it's gonna give us the retrace, but it's like, brother, do we need to go there? Do we actually need to go there? We don't. Come on, gold. We don't need to go there. Damn, gold. Why we go in there for? I thought we spoke about this. You said you was just gonna go and do the job. You lied to me. I'm closing. I'm 1,000 up. Oh, I was, but it pulled back a bit. 553 and 376. All right. Yeah, I'm so glad I closed that trade. I am super glad I closed that shit. All right, so let's do this. Boom. Fuck those drawings. So refresh your charts all the time. All right, I don't want to be seeing you. Well, actually, do what you want. But for me, right, I only ever do this, right? I only ever keep all my drawings on there if I'm going to do trade recaps because I haven't recorded the session or some shit. But let me be clear with you, all right? Keeping drawings from 7 months ago on the chart is crazy work. If you're a scalper, all right, you need to be hitting these trades like one night stands. You don't want to be, this trade from back then, when this happened, when that happened. Fuck that, right? Just get rid of them. It's going to just fry your brain. You always want a clean sheet. Even if I redraw the same shit, I still want to refresh that mind. Do you know what I mean? Understand what I'm looking at. So, which I am literally drawing the same fucking lines. But yeah, it's fresh. It's fresh. Okay, so what are we rejecting right now? 2 EMAs. Awesome. I love it. So, perfect, really, if it keeps going. 1 to 2, realistically, I like that too. I'm putting that there. Fucking popping off. All right. We're close to that liquidity, see? To this next one, which is only not even a 1-to-1, really. That'd be the 1-to-1 just above it. But it does look sweet, though, no? It does want this, no matter what anyone thinks. This purple bar is not there for nothing. It genuinely wants to sweep out these levels before doing stuff. So that's, the reason most of the time I get in a trade and I'm confident in holding in stuff. I am close to getting in that. I'm not in it, but it is teasing me. I'm in it. I'm buying it. I am in this trade. Okay? And it's going where I wanted it to go. Alright, I'm still in it. I'm out. I'm closing. Fuck it. I don't even care if whatever it does. It's pulling back. I'm out. I'm not playing games. Last week I was playing too many games. I'm out of that trade. I'm done. It was a pip away from hitting TP, so I'll take it. Once again, not a really amazing trade, and it probably still will smash that liquidity line, but I had to do what I had to do. Alright? I don't regret my decision. Oh, you're still in the first setup. You fucking animal. Riku is an animal. Love it for you, man. I love that for you. I think it's safe to say, though, this has not been a bad session, right? A bit slow, but there's been profits to be made. You're in there. So, yeah, man, I'm not even hating on it. And when I look back on it now, I'm like, okay, I could have got a better entry from there, but you've seen how many times it did us dirty. So we won a bit more of a retracement. I know I keep saying it, but damn, that is pretty bullish volume though still. Too late, man. I couldn't have even called that if I wanted to. That's actually really, really fucking clean. So I don't know if anyone was able to get in that or not. Fuck it hell. No. I'm too much of a fucking pro for this. I was about to FOMO. All over the place. Nope. Me not FOMO. I am not FOMOing. Fuck no. I was about to FOMO the shit out of that trade then. Yeah, I'm alright. I'm cool. I'm done. I'm gonna leave this play though. I'm gonna see what happens. But put one in the chat if you're still in this trade. That's fucking insane. Fair play. Wow. You're still in there from the first setup. That's just nuts. Yes. Go on, Mike. I'll catch you tomorrow, bro. Jimmy left a runner. That's fine. Yo, you lot are absolute killers if you're still in this. That's nuts. London and pre-London are looking good though. Again, I can't talk. I'll be real. So the only reason I haven't got in this one, which is kind of a bitch that I didn't get in this, is because I've traded twice today and they were both winners. So, you know, I gotta set some sort of example. That beer's looking sharp, kid. Yeah, cool. Alright, I'm gonna bounce. Alright, I'm gonna bounce. If you don't know where your full TP is though, just write down 4256. This is basically the full TP, and it's just look to the left. You're just targeting these are your targets. Do you know what I mean? All these little spikes and shit, that's where the liquidity is, and that's where price is heading apparently, right? So just do that and you'll be good. But I'm gonna bounce and I'll catch you all for the New York session. Boyo, great session. Catch you guys tomorrow. To be honest with you, first day, this was a decent session for your first day. If you joined last week, you would have went through the wars with us. But yeah, good to see the markets are back doing their job anyway. So I'll catch you all for the New York, yeah? Go on. No problem, man. Go on, Jimmy.